Alright, hello everyone. So for this video, I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do yet. So we'll just get right into it. To start off, I'm going to prime my eyes, so I'm just gonna grab some concealer. And then pat that out with a sponge. By the way, we do have a new friend with us here today. He's just chilling right here on my chin. I already covered him with a little bit of concealer because I wasn't trying to let him steal the show. So now I'm just going to grab my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to use the tiniest bit to set my eyes. We're going to go in with the same palette I use all the time, the Jacyln Hill palette. I'm thinking something from this palette, some kind of eye look. I don't know if I want to go more red or blue, or just smoky. I might even do pink. I think we're going to go magenta and pink today. Okay, so to start off, I am just taking this. I hate how it's opposite. It's opposite sides on here. I don't even know if that makes sense. But I'm taking the shade Silk Cream. It's this shade right here. Just on a nice big fluffy brush. With this, I'm just going to put this all in my crease. And kind of blend it up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Hillster. And it is this shade right here. And I'm going to take that same brush, pat the excess off. Okay, I'm going to pat a lot of that off and put this on the outer corner and blend it up into the crease a little bit. And then you can build that color up as much as you want to make it as dark as you want it to look. Sometimes I'll even like open up my eye first and see how high it's looking, how high the dark shade is reaching, and then I'll go back in and close my eye and just go back over it. And I'll just bring it in a little bit. And now I'm just going to take a little bit more of that first shade, Silk Cream, and just blend it back on top. Does anybody else notice that their eyes are different shapes? Or if their eyes are different shapes? Because my eyes are definitely two different shapes. Like, this is my good eye, and this eye is just like, I don't know, it's really hard to work with. Okay, now I'm going to go in with just a smaller tapered brush. And I'm going to go in with the shade that's right next to it, called Roxanne. And I'm not going to show you because it's too difficult. So with this, I'm going to keep this on the outer corner. Kind of bring it down close to the lash line. This color is really pretty though. Now I'm going to go back in with that first blending brush, and I'm not going to add any product to it. I'm just kind of going to blend over everything. Just to make sure there's no harsh lines, and there's a couple harsh lines on this side from that last color. So I'm just taking a couple, just dipping into the last couple shades we just added, and just blending over it again. Now I'm going to grab some concealer. Just dip a little bit of that on the inner corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to blend that up with this flat, it's a Lottie London brush, but it's a really nice flat, I don't know if you can even see if this is even showing, really nice flat dense brush. It's not a concealer brush. I wanted something a little bit more fluffy than that, so that's what this is. And this does not have to be like exact. or like a perfect line. And then I'm just going to kind of feather it out until it has a nice little ombre going out. I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to go in with this Illuminate Cosmetics by Ashley Tisdale. It's the Cream Cheek and Lip Tint in shade Cocoa. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty. I'm just going to take some of that on that same brush I just used. And I'm going to put this on the middle of the eye. So just kind of closest. It is a really, really pretty color. Okay, now I'm just going to wipe that brush off. And I'm going to go in with, first, I'm going to make this kind of a little ombre look. So first I'm going to go in with this shade Sissy. And it's this shade right here. And then after that, I'm going to take the shade right in front of it, which is this one. And that is called Faint. So with that same brush, I'm going to take the middle shade. And tap that right on top of the cream, tap that right on top of the cream lip paint that we just put on. That will be my dog shaking. I'm going to go back in with that last brush we used in the darkest pink shade. Just kind of tap out those corners. Make sure it's nice and blended. You gotta be blended. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and just kind of blend the two a little bit. Not too much, but okay. Now I'm going to take a tapered concealer brush from Lexi, and like I said, I'm going to go back in with that really light shade and put this on the inner corner and drag it onto that color we just did too. You guys, and that is the final look for the eyes. Okay, we're gonna do some eyeliner. I haven't done eyeliner in a minute, like some actual like liner. I don't know if I want to do a little wing or not. I'm not really a winged gal. Maybe we could try, I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna take the Maybelline Gel Liner. And this is just the Morphe G21. It's a nice little angled brush. I don't know if this is going to work because my liner is pretty old. So it's not as gel-like as I would like it to be. Okay, hopefully this stays in focus the whole time. I already messed up. That is the ugliest line I've ever seen in my life. Okay, we're going for the little wing, you guys. I'm gonna bring my mirror up a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the other eye, clean it up, put some mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm done singing and I've got my lashes on. I'm gonna put some concealer on my under eyes. And this is still the KKW Concealer. So I was thinking of doing like maybe like a life update video or something while I was doing my makeup. I don't know. A lot has changed since I was doing videos pretty much like last year. a lot has changed. Good and bad, but I don't know, I don't want to like bore people who are watching these, and maybe they don't want to hear about like long stories and stuff like that, you know. So I figured I could just like make a video just about what has happened. Like, I went to beauty school, I got my esthetician license, I've moved out, yeah, lots of stuff. But yeah, it would basically be about those kind of things. If you have any questions about like my experience at beauty school and stuff, you know, I would love to answer them. If you're curious about going, or I don't know, something like that. Because I know before I went to beauty school, I asked people that I know that went, you know, some questions and stuff like that, and it helped me make my decision. I'm just powdering my face right now. But yeah, give this video a like if you'd be interested in just a little life update kind of thing, I don't know. Or comment below or something like that. Or if you have any like ideas of what I should film, because I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna throw some bronzer on. I'm obsessed with the KKW bronzer, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm just using a really big fluffy brush today. Bronze that up. I'm actually filming in my living room right now because nobody's home. And I just feel like it's more open, the background's better, my curtains. Yeah, I don't know, I just like it better. I normally film in our spare room, which is pretty much our storage room. But the light like sucks in there and stuff, so I don't want to use that room. For blush, ooh, no, I'm too hot. My back. So, story again. I went to the gym yesterday, right? And I was doing legs, and it's kind of embarrassing, but I guess I've never done a deadlift before, and I was doing it yesterday because it was part of my routine workout, and oh my god, I totally must have did it wrong because my lower back kills. Like, this is what it feels like it's doing. It feels like it's just like every time I move a certain way. Like, I could say some curse words. But yeah, so not going to the gym today because it hurts so bad. But yeah, okay, so for blush, I'm gonna be using the what I used on my eyes, the cream to blush, and I'm just gonna take some of that on this flat brush. And just kind of pat it out with my sponge. Okay, that looks super nice. Might do a little work right there. Everybody's playing outside right now. I can hear them in the background. Now I'm going to do my under eyes. So I'm literally just going to use the same shades that I used before, but I'm mostly going to just use the smaller brush. So I'm going to go in with the really light brown shade we used first, and just whatever is left on the brush. I'm not tripping. Bring that all the way across. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the second to darkest shade and just mainly focus this on the outer corner. Okay, now I'm going to take my fluffier brush, wherever I put that thing, there it is, and just kind of blend that out. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to go in with that pink shade and just put a little bit at the bottom inner corner. And then I'm going to take, I'm going to mix the very first two shades in here, those two. So yeah, I'm going to mix the two, tap it off, and just kind of blend those two together on the inner corner. Okay, I just have to go in with some of the Kat Von D Shade Light for my little contour. It's just the best, you guys. Like, I just cannot live without it. Man, I probably am out of focus like this whole video. Okay, now I'm gonna spray my face with the Flower Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. I normally would use my Morphe Continuous Mist, but it's running really low and I don't want to waste it, so I'm just gonna use this one. Don't get me wrong, this one is really nice too. Now for highlighter, we're going to be extra and use the same 2 shades that we used on our inner corner. Look at that! You guys. Like, is this too much? Okay, you guys, now that freaking Google Maps can see us, now I'm just gonna pat out my whole face. Sure everything's good. Okay, you guys, I think that's it. Kind of want to try something. I'm gonna go in with, this happens to me every single time I do my makeup. I will literally set something down, right? Not use it for a couple of minutes and then need it again, and it's right in front of me. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with my finger and put some of this on my lips, just so we can have that full monochromatic look. Do we want gloss? Yeah. Okay, now I'm taking the Morphe Boho gloss again. Guys, ever think about the times when you were a little kid and you would stay out and play? Shoot, not even like little. When I was like 13, 14, 15, that's what we did. Okay, now some brow gel to tame these suckers. Today for my eyebrows, I used the ColourPop eyebrow pencil, and I love it. Honestly, just lost it for the longest time. This is it right here. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. We got really like Valentine's Day here. I wasn't expecting to go that pink. I probably should have did like something green because St. Patrick's Day is really close, but maybe I'll do another one. I don't know. But yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I'll zoom you guys in to see the eyes. Hopefully it's like actually clear like the camera shows. But my wing, do not judge me. My wing, because I'm not good at them. But yeah, I haven't done like a full makeup look like this in a while, so like, I don't know, eyes, I've been sticking to really like a basic, like my last video. That's my basic everyday makeup. Let me zoom you out now because this is too close. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, if you are interested in, or if you even have any ideas of any kind of videos that you would like to see or that interest you, like topics to be talked about, or I don't know, anything, I'm really open to anything and everything. Go ahead, comment down below, and like I said, if you're interested in hearing like a little life update, then I'd totally be willing to do that. So yeah, give this a like if you are interested in doing that, and comment down below and let me know your thoughts. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it if you stayed until the end. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.